Wallahi, my life changed once I started doing these things. First thing in the morning, I listened to Quran or my daily remembrance, which is adhkar. Literally changed so much for me. First 15 minutes of your day, your brain is the most susceptible to anything it consumes. So if you're on social media first thing in the morning, that's what your energy for the day is going to be based off of. And especially the past few months, there's just been so much pain and suffering, and exposing yourselves to that the first thing in the morning is not good. I also started reading in the mornings. Growing up, I was not a reader. I was not reading books for fun. But this is something that I needed to start doing more. So for the past month, every single morning, I've been reading, even if it's 2 pages. I finally finished a book that I've been reading all year because of this. Next, I started doing yoga. It's so easy. You don't have to go to a studio or anything, but I watched Yoga with Bird on YouTube. And it's like a 10-minute stretch. Moving your body and getting your blood flowing is so crucial to the start of your day. I also started time blocking on my Google Calendar. I literally put everything. And whenever I finish something, I turn it from blue to green. Y'all think I'm playing? I am so serious. What this has been doing is like boosting my confidence, because every time I look at all those green boxes, I'm like, dang, I did that. And then it's like, I don't want to ruin the streak. It's built this consistency within me that's allowed me to be so productive. And in the past, I've had a really bad relationship with the word productivity, especially with my ADHD. I don't work the same way other people work. But like gamifying my to-do lists, building a consistent schedule, and seeing actual tangible results changed my life completely. Also, since I'm giving out wisdom, praying on time. In the past, I just give myself credit for praying. Now I'm more intentional about like making it on time, and I feel so much better. And it's because praying on time requires discipline, and now I'm building that discipline. Wallahi, I'm a different person than I was last month. And all of this was because I was intentional. I told myself I was going to be a different person. And now I'm going to enter the new year with these habits already built. It's not too late. You still have a week. Get your ish together. Let me know if you want more tips.